Action.
I think you should finish your other bike first.
It's much better to have one bike that runs, yeah.
Well, we were just talking about it, and yeah, you just have to put a chain on, and that bike's done. Then we can put this bike on a lift, and we don't have to be fucking bending over. My back's fucking old as fuck.
Dude, they make valid points. And Mario did just come over with the tool that we needed to get the project done.
All right, start taking off the floorboards.
And you need the chain breaker, right? All right, so
waiting on fucking Benny.
If Mario needs something, we give Mario whatever Mario needs. Because he's the guy. So, he's the guy. I mean, he won the wrench this year. He's the fucking guy. So, all right. We need to get Mario back his tools. And that actually makes a ton of sense. And who the fuck doesn't want to ride that?
That's going to be way fun.
Yeah, like,
actually, I want to ride this bike.
Yeah.
So.
We're going to work on the bagger. Here we go.
Loctite, just in case.
No. Bagger, take this off. 3/16 all the way out on the outside. Mario came with the save today. Maddie just finished chopping my fender. Sick.
Still got I think it'll turn out nice. I want to maybe try and put some kind of want to put in some sort of, there's a little hole here.
Yeah, so it'll like come up and have a gap, right?
If after I shave everything, if there's enough room, I'd kind of like to put a little like flush mounted LED strip in here just right above the...
Now you're going to turn on your compressor.
Oh, fuck. Yep. Every fucking time! Fuck! Oh! Compressor just took a shit, or what plastic shit?
Blow the moat, the hole?
I think it's a belt, probably. Some belt dust. Whatever, let it blow up, huh?
Standing over here just in case it blows up.
Yeah, right? Once you're in here, this is reverse thread. This one is not. So, tighten to pop this off. Loosen to pop this on. So I just took out the inner primary bolts, and then boop, we're gonna pop this inner primary off. Right by the time we get in there. So this is the tool Mario has. It's nice, it threads right onto the shaft, and then you can throw this long socket on it, and it's I mean, you need it.
Put all that fucking Loctite on there, goddamn.
Full motor mount. We might be in business, dude. You ready to rip baggers this weekend? Is your bike gonna be done this weekend? Oh, man. Both these bikes have basically been building at the same time. Mario's been out of a bike for like fucking months, dude. So long.
Good old trick of the trade. Well, engine oil, you know? Fucking lube it up.
Bro, I'm so sorry you guys have to listen to that fucking shit. I'm turning it off. Wow. What are you doing, Bentley? Good boy. It's one of my nice ones. Yeah, dude, I went and got it like, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago because I was sick and tired of dealing with, I think my torque wrenches were blown out. Remember, they like wouldn't work?
Yeah, they're like 1985.
Mario's told me, he's like, dude, you can put this on backwards, dimple side. And dude, last thing I want to do is put this one on backwards and then have to pull everything off, or I guess you can sneak behind and kind of do some shit, but still, nightmare. Put that on this little dimple side.
Don't even try to take, just don't
towards
even take
the
it
bike.
off. Just leave it on.
Yeah, don't even take it off. Oh my God. Banger news, guys. Memphis shades, bagger, windshield just came in. Yes, today's a good day. Woo! Looks sick. Mario brought this step tool. Makes it so you can torque the bolts in there. So here we go. Throw some Loctite on them. Bagger's gonna come together. It's gotta get, it's gonna be rideable at least. It's gonna be good. We're gonna get the chain dialed. And then, yeah, next 2 weeks or 3 weeks, I'll probably get fender done and the bags done. And then, whew. Then it's done till like you do the motor or some shit. Which has to be done. But doesn't have to, but I fucking want it to. Can't have a fucking bagger with fucking weak ass motor. Unless you're Annie 76 who just kills it on a stock motor, like fucking so nasty. Oh, that kid is so sick. What'd you torque it to?
165.
God damn, that's so...
For all the people in the video that don't have this, go ahead and use the socket.
Lift outside, dude. Boom. Chain kit on. Whew, this thing's coming together nice. Need a seat so bad. Got the last piece of the puzzle. Mario had an extra one. So we're gonna get this all finished up, ready to ride. Might even ride it tonight a little bit. Got the gaskets to change out. So yeah, I'm stoked. Let's get this going. It's all together. We're gonna kind of wipe it down, and then I think we're gonna go check out a little art gallery. Our homie Pulp is he's got an art show going, so we're gonna go check it out. Catch you later. Yo, we made it. We're gonna stop and grab a drink right here. That's a ILA gallery where Pulp's having his little fucking thing. So we came, road glide's ripping, bro. My first attempt at bagger wheelies and it came straight up. Woo! We're stoked. Hopefully we'll get some clips of that. If so, clips of it right now.
He did it.
There we go.
That's it. Damn.
Alright.
Only allowing a couple people time to drink.
Yay.
What are you drinking?
Whiskey, well, whiskey. I know, I was like, babe.
Next Breaker Boy mod. Right in the middle.
The new one I have not.
Oh my gosh. Where's the crucifix?
Oh my god, I thought you were gonna pull my nip out.
Wait.
Goody, dude, we made it.
Well, we're out here in the streets. We're out here fucking living. About to go see some art.
Yeah, cheers. Hey, Popo. Yes. Check this out, huh? These ones are dope. Yo, so this is Pulp, man. He's a Denver artist. Literally been all over the world, man. Like, I've been over in different states, different countries. I've like seen his shit. Can't believe how much he's grown as an artist. Like, I remember when he was just tagging and shit. We weren't really homies, but that fucking kid was like, I knew who he was, you know, he was getting up. And then now look at him, just killing it. Unreal, bro. This is where it's at right here. Look at this, burning out with the cops. Look at that. Yeah, yeah. That one's ridiculous. Look at this one. Yo. Oh, oh, oh. Under my skin. The myth, man. Dude, we're back. Phone died. Changing Maddie's tire so we can shred tomorrow. Yeah, they're over here, bro. Yes, that's how I know I'm doing so good. I'm hiding all my tires from this fucker because he burns like 5 more than I do. Boom! Woo! Nope. Nope.
That one.
Nope. It's a bagger tire. Nope. These two. They're good. These are super good. Look at the sidewall on that. Look at that's like new. Well,
Oh, that's a white wall.
yeah, no, fuck no, never mind. God damn it, dude. They're both gonna be white walls.
Oh my god, that's a
Yeah, that's the one, dude. Oh yeah, here, take this one. Take that one. It's nice and round.
Looks like it has a hole though.
Where? Oh, that might
Dang.
be. Yeah, it might have. Let me see this one. Oh yeah, that one's money. Dude, I've scored so hard. All right, dude, I finally showed Maddie my fucking secret stash, dude. I might regret this.
Our secret.
I'm totally gonna regret this later, dude. Damn, bro. Yeah. Oh well. You know what else I got for us today? This is shit we never have. I got wheel and tire cleaner, black inner fairing and trim, engine brightener for black cases. It like makes black cases pop like a motherfucker. And then some spray cleaner polish from Harley. Yeah, I got us some shit, 90. But yeah, I got us some stuff today. Pretty excited about it. What's your new Instagram handle? You got so many.
The best one was mustache rides. 24/7.
Who?
It was Devin.
Oh, really? With the?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. I miss that kid. He's awesome. I hope he comes to Sturgis this year with us. Where are you going in the morning?
Might be
Surprise?
buying. It's a surprise.
All right. Stay tuned, motherfuckers.